I suppose it's very nice, and the people can engage themselves to the progress of the city and hear about the progress from authorities in the city.
Very interesting opportunity, very nice of China to offer this opportunity for the consular corps to attend this meeting. It's a very interesting model of consultative democracy and popular representation. So it's very interesting to learn from the Chinese experience. China is our major trading partner, and Shanghai is economic hub. Lots of trade fairs happening here. So we look forward to see what news the Chinese authorities will provide in terms of business environment and making sure that business partnership, economic partnership in trade and investments can go forward.
It is definitely interesting to see the feeding process of all the different constituent parts of the Shanghai municipal government and the Congress and how they feed into the decision-making process. It is also very important to see that there is a strong focus on building the centers of excellence for which Shanghai is well known for, right? Like the finance, like the high tech and biomedicine, artificial intelligence, and all the 5 centers that the government is working on. I feel this is very positive for the future of Shanghai as a city and for the municipality in the future.